The video is about removing the unwanted browser extension called word counter. The developers of the extension indicate that you can count the amount of a given word in the current page. But the trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as adware. If it gets installed, this extension starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive pop-ups that will be periodically attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. Also, these ads may sometimes redirect you to other junk sites in the internet. If this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, there is a simple solution to fix your browser. Go to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then, if you find this word counter extension, simply disable and remove it. Finally, in order to make sure that your system is free of other threats, my recommendation is that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.